Tired of Airtable columns cutting off text or wasting screen space? You know that feeling, right? Well, today, discover how to quickly resize any column for perfect data visibility and an efficient, clutter-free base. No more guessing, no more squinting, just clear, manageable data. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the exact steps to easily adjust your Airtable columns. You'll master this essential trick in no time. It's truly going to streamline how you work. Alright, so to kick things off, the very first step is to simply head over to Airtable.com. This is where all the magic begins, of course. Just pop open your web browser and navigate there. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. If you're already logged in, great. You can just skip this part. Otherwise, go ahead and enter your credentials. It's pretty straightforward. Just make sure you're accessing your own workspace. Now, with your account ready, the next step is to open up the specific base and table you want to work on. Navigate through your workspace, find the project you're interested in, and then select the particular table where those columns are causing you grief. This is where your actual data lives and where we'll be making those crucial adjustments. With your table open and ready, let's get into the actual resizing. What you want to do is move your mouse cursor over to the edge of the column header that you want to adjust. You're looking for that thin dividing line between one column and the next. Just gently hover your mouse right over it. You'll know you're in the right spot because as you hover, you'll see a special cursor appear. It usually looks like a double-headed arrow pointing left and right. Keep an eye out for that distinct symbol. It's Airtable's way of telling you, hey, this column is ready for resizing. Knowing these little visual cues is really key to efficient work in Airtable, and it's something I always pay attention to. Once you see that double-headed arrow, you're ready for the main event. Click and hold down your mouse button on that column border. Now, without releasing the click, drag your mouse either to the left to make the column narrower or to the right to make it wider. You'll see the column instantly change width as you drag, so you can adjust it to precisely the size you need. To finalize that size, simply lift your finger off the mouse button once you're happy with how wide the column is. That's it. The column will now snap to its new width. It's a quick and satisfying change. Finally, take a moment to check that the column size fits your content properly. Are all your text entries visible? Is there too much wasted space? Sometimes it takes a little trial and error to find the perfect balance. This final check is what truly makes your base easy to read and manage, and it's a step I always recommend for a truly polished workflow. Perfect. Now you've got perfectly sized columns in your Airtable base. That's a huge win for clarity and efficiency. You've just mastered a super useful skill that's going to make your data so much easier to work with. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.